Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Zero Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles straight from the top, swipe down, and let's extend it just so we can see the names of it. And you can see there is our Do Not Disturb mode. It's already enabled, but by default it should be off like this. So it has the icon of a moon. Now to set it up, change the settings for it, you can hold it, which will take you to the settings. And in here you can customize things like who can call you, message you, what kind of apps can bypass this, alarms and other interruptions, along with setting up a schedule. Now if you're planning to use a schedule, you can edit it in here and just make sure that it's toggled on like this one. This will then turn it on and off automatically when the schedule settings approach the time that it should turn on. Now, once you go through the settings and customize them, you don't have to come back here ever again. So you can just close this and forget about it. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode manually, just press on a toggle. This will turn it on. And if you're using it only manually, like I just did, you will also want to remember about turning it off. So you just tap on it again to turn it off. And the reason for that is when you enable it, obviously it will enable the settings that you have chosen. So for instance, if you selected that no one can call you, as long as this mode is enabled, no one will be able to reach you in a way. And if you're already done with it, that kind of screws up the usability of a phone, obviously. So that's why you might want to remember to turn it off. But with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.